The Bose Virtually Invisible 791 In-Ceiling Speaker 2 is a sophisticated piece of audio equipment that provides high-quality, full-range performance, which is unmatched by most other installed speakers. Engineered with an exclusive Bose Stereo Everywhere speaker performance, it covers the room with balanced stereo sound, ensuring no drop-offs and a consistent listening experience. The speaker features a 7-inch woofer and two strategically positioned 1-inch tweeters, eliminating the need to aim the speaker into the room. Its near-bezel-less construction and easily paintable grills blend elegantly into any room's design, making it not just a speaker, but a part of your home's aesthetics. Installation is made simple with standard dogleg clamps and magnetically attached grills, while the speaker's dimensions of 4.4 inches in height and 10 inches in diameter make it compact and unobtrusive. With a commendable review score of 4.4 and being priced at $599, the Bose 791 In-Ceiling Speaker 2 is a worthwhile investment for those seeking superior audio quality and seamless integration into their home decor.